Noble Plate Meatless Crumbles with pea protein. That's what we're making today. Directions are simple. Add all of your protein to the bowl, a little bit of hot water. But I am playing this by ear, so I added a whole host of seasonings just to lift the flavor. I'll include them in the comments. And yep, I put a little bit of soy sauce in there as well. Look at it, it's coming together. So these yummy veggies chopped, they go into a pan, and as they simmer, I added the pea protein. And again, I already said it, playing it by ear, so a little bit of crushed tomato, and then we added a little bit of cracked black pepper, and when it was all done, I topped it to lift the flavor with just a little parsley. It smelled great. I was testing it and tasting it all the while, and I had this kale salad in the fridge. It's just kale, chopped, a little bit of lime juice, a whole host of vegetables, but I could not wait to top it. Look at it. It smells so good. And guys, when I tell you I couldn't wait to dive in, I was ready and took the biggest bite. It is so, so good.